Hey Harvey Park. This is your Market Mosey with Sean Michael Murphy. And this week, we do have some new listings on the market. We have 21 active listings this week, and 4 of those are that new hotness that we're going to talk about today. This says 5. That's not real. This home on Girard was an expired listing that came back on the market. And if you didn't know what an expired listing is, I can tell you. An expired listing is like when a seller has a listing agreement with, a seller, or an agent has a listing agreement with their seller, and that term that they made it for has expired. But this one, it's not always for bad reason. So this one came off the market, came back on the market, but it's not that new hotness, so I'm not going to count it. All right, but let's get into this. We are not starting here. We're going to start. Oh yeah, we are starting here, guys. I'm gonna get this together. We're gonna figure this out. It's gonna be better over time, but not today. All right. So first up is 2050 South Sheridan Boulevard, which is located on Sheridan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,728 square foot home. It's got dark hardwoods. I like them. It looks nice. I'm sure that's just a camera effect. The floor is not actually going sideways, but kitchen appliances look updated. There's a nice pergola out back that I saw, and there's a newer roof and newer water heater on this bad boy. Got some updated features, right? That's the basement, hardwoods throughout. So it looks like they did all the flooring throughout the house. I like that chill spot back there. Man, winter is just a tough time to take photos. Oh, see, look how nice it looks when it's in the summer. That's a nice looking backyard. And you don't get that right there. So, cool. I'm glad they had that photo. It is sitting on a 7,270 square foot lot, and the asking price is $359,900. Next up, we got 3150 South Utica Street. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,266 square foot Hutchinson in South Harvey Park. What do we know about this guy here? Lot size is 6,910 square feet. It's got room for 2 recreational vehicles, it says. Yeah, it looks clean, looks nice. Nice updates. Covered patio out back. I'm a sucker for a covered patio. Nice built-ins. Refinished hardwoods on this one. And, ooh, that is a bedroom. It's a bed in a room. Cool backyard. Cool. Nice shed. Little covered area. Place to chill. I like it. Asking price on this is $375,000. Next up is 3005 South Winona Court. 2 beds, 2 baths, 1,990 square feet. Let me check my notes here. I wrote nice updates. They opened up the floor plan on this one. That's nice. Quartz countertops. Took out the swamp cooler, rocking central air in this bad boy. Doesn't look like they made any bedrooms downstairs. It looks like they just have it open. Well, I guess that is a bedroom technically, but it's kind of like a bedroom, a bed in the open space, but lots of room here. You can see that's the other side where they had the bedroom. Cool. Lot size on this is about the average, 6,960 square feet for Harvey Park, and they are asking $410,000. Lastly, but not leastly, because this week it's the most expensively, 2799 South Raleigh Street. Sure looks like a Hutchinson to me. See, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,290 square feet, a 1-car garage. Looks like it's got RV parking as well. Refinished hardwoods, granite countertops in the kitchen there. Looks like some newer white appliances. Jacuzzi tub. Saw this one's also on a corner lot. Some new carpet downstairs. Oh, and this is on a big lot too. So big old corner lot. And lot size is 10,600 square feet. Living large on South Raleigh Street. And that is it for your new hotness this week. If you want to see these homes and the other ones that are on the market for sale right now in Harvey Park, click the link below. I included that. But let's talk about what's sold. We had 4 sold homes this past week, starting with 2777 South Osceola Way, originally listed at $377,900, and that sucker got bid up to $392,000. 2799 South Lowell Boulevard was listed at and sold for $415,000. I remember this one. This one is right at the top by Loretta Heights, across the street from the park, and it has a really nice view. 3436 South Patton Way, originally listed at $450,000, and it sold for $442,500. And the last sold home this week is 5160 West Colgate Place. That is a Hutchinson. And that is, let's see, the standard Hutchinson. They got a 3rd bathroom in there. This might be the model. Let's just take a second here. Let's see if this is the model. So if you got a Hutchinson, you got a covered patio, you got refinished. Oh, this looks all updated. Oh, yeah, there it is. It has the master bathroom there. Typically you see these with the 2-car garage. That's unique. Yeah, that one was listed at $465,000, and it sold for $465,000. Gives you an idea what those are going for. So that is your weekly update for this week. Did you guys have fun this week? Did you go out and eat too much candy? I did. I had way too much candy, and bless those sweet children that came by my house to take it off my hands. Also, the Harvey Park decorating contest. Hopefully, you had a chance to go check those out. Let's give some kudos to those guys. 4 guys put up their decorations, and like the next day, we got dumped on with snow. But we appreciate everyone that participated. It's fun, it's festive, and it's a great way for just bringing the community together. We saw that over 300 people had downloaded or opened up the map to check out the route, and so hopefully you guys all had fun seeing that. We'll be announcing the winners of that at the next HIPCO, Harvey Park Community Organization meeting in November. And what's up? Saturday, open house. I won't be in Harvey Park. I'll be over in Ruby Hill. I'll be at 1464 South Carlin Court. If you want to check it out, I'll be there from 11 to 2 on Saturday and 12 to 3 on Sunday, so you can get in there right before we play the Browns. We might win this one, guys. I feel good. If you got somebody that's looking at homes in Harvey Park, or share this with them so that they can get the updates weekly. And if they aren't a member, they don't live in the area, you could send them the link, or you, right there. You could sign up yourself if you don't want to check the Facebook group or Nextdoor or YouTube or wherever you're seeing this, and you want this in your inbox every Saturday. There's a little Google form. You'll just put in your email address. We're not going to send you a whole bunch of crap. We're just going to send you one weekly update a week. Unless you want other stuff, then let us know. We'll send you more stuff. But that is it. I hope you guys have had a great October, and let's get ready for a great November. Reach out if you need anything, and have a good one.